Hi, I'm Sarah from You Floral. I'm going to talk to you guys about how to pick flowers in order to make a beautiful bouquet like this for your wedding. So I generally use 5 different types of flowers when I'm making a bridal bouquet or really any type of bouquet. So the first thing I'm going to use is my really big flower. So in this bouquet I used a Disbud Mom. This is the spider variety, but you can also use something like carnation would also be a large size flower. Or I've also got these dahlias here. So these are the 3 that I'm gonna use in this bouquet for my large size flowers. Then I'm also gonna have some sort of bougie flowers. So these are the kind of jewelry, really fancy ones. And so I've got cosmos, or another one that I sometimes use is scabiosa, or I might use a ranunculus. And then I'm gonna have a line flower. So these are the ones that are kind of tall, they're like stemmy, and then they have like a bloop of excitement on the end. So this one's Snapdragon, but Veronica or Delphinium are some other examples of line flowers. Then I've got some texture flowers. So the ones I'm gonna show you today that I used is Eryngium. So that's a thistle. So this is my blue Eryngium here. So if I was using this in a bouquet, I'd take off some of the side shoots just because this is a lot of texture all at once. Or this one here is also a nice little texture one. This is a Astrantia, or I use Hypericum sometimes. Then for my filler flower, I have Baby's Breath here. And so this is just one that kind of fills up space and adds volume. So Baby's Breath is one I use, or sometimes I use Alstroemeria. And then for greenery, I like to have 2 different types of greenery. So this one here is Silver Dollar Eucalyptus, and then I have Italian Ruscus here. I really like this one because it's really upright. And then I like this one because it has a little bit of sort of movement and texture. So when they add them together, it's a really nice combination. So I've got the 5 different types of flowers that I put into my bouquet. So I've got the big ones, I've got the bougie ones like the Cosmos, I've got the filler, Baby's Breath, I've got texture, and I've got line flowers. And then in terms of how many to use, I usually will use about 20 flowers in a bridal bouquet. So this one here I have as an example. I've made it quite large. So this one's about 25 stems within this one. And then I'm gonna use about a 1/4 bunch of greenery for a bridesmaid bouquet and about a 1/3 bunch of greenery for a bridal. But in this one, I didn't use a lot of greenery. So that's why I kind of upped the stem count more, as I did more stems of flowers and less greenery. So 20 stems of flowers for bridal, 15 stems of flowers for bridesmaid, and then a 1/4 bunch of greenery for bridesmaids and a 1/3 bunch of greenery for bridal. And so that's the ingredients that you'll want to think about using if you're making your own flower bouquets. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have questions.